Namaste friends, welcome to Learn with Jay, empowered by Magic Needles. This day I'm here with yet another shells pattern. This shell pattern is staggered shells. So it is simple staggered shell. To make this pattern, we require multiples of 8 plus 2 as the foundation chains, and this particular swatch I made with my magenta color Hobby Store 100% premium acrylic anti-pill Aran yarn, which is medium weight 4 and its color code is 2042. I shall make the required number of foundation chains and get back to you. As usual, I am using my 5.5 mm Clover Amar hook. I have made two multiples of 8 plus 2 chains. Now SC in the second chain from the hook, chain 4, skip 3, 1, 2, 3, make a single crochet, chain 3, 2 double crochets in the same chain, skip 3, 1, 2, 3, single crochet in the next, one, two, three, 4 chains, skip 3, 1, 2, 3, single crochet, chain 3, 2 double crochets, skip 3, 1, 2, 3 and place a single crochet in the very last stitch here. So row 1 is not a pattern repeat row. This is how it looks, row 1. For row 2, either chain 5 or turn and make a double crochet, chain 2, single crochet in the chain 3 loop, chain 3, 2 double crochets in the same chain 3 loop, single crochet under the chain 5 loop, chain 4, SC in the chain 3 loop, chain 3, 2 double crochets here. So you can see that the shells are getting staggered. Single crochet in the chain loop, chain 2 and a DC in the very last stitch here. So after row 2, this is how the pattern looks. You can see the shells getting staggered. For row 3, chain 1 and turn, place a single crochet in the very first stitch here, chain 4, single crochet under chain 3 loop and chain 3, 2 double crochets under chain 3 loop, same loop. Place a single crochet under the chain 4 loop here. Now again chain 4, SC, chain 3, 2 DC all under the chain 3 loop here. So that is how we are staggering the shells. And place a single crochet in the very last stitch. So rows 2 and 3 are the pattern repeat rows. This is how it looks. So don't worry if the stagger droops down. Once the pattern is complete, it will become straight. This is not an issue at all. This is much open pattern. It is very good for summer garments and summer wear. And if you make with more repeats, this is how it develops. You can see the staggered shells here. So this can be used with any pattern. This can be used as a vertical column in your patterns or wearables, and it can make great shawls too. So sky is the limit for your imagination. Do subscribe to Magic Needles channel and do not forget to hit on the bell icon so that you're notified of the videos that we upload every day. Thank you friends. I shall be back with yet another pattern in the next video. Have a great day.